saw my video that's talking about washing your clothes and following the instructions on the tag. So this is a denim jacket that I bought. So as you can see, the water is blue. You should have seen it when I first washed it. It is actually dark blue. Whenever there's denim, it's gonna have lots of dye in it. So imagine me washing this denim jacket in hot water with white or light colors. You know what's gonna happen? I'm gonna be very upset because my white will turn blue or some nasty color that I did not want. So I am washing this denim jacket in cold water by itself, hand wash, letting it soak because I wore it, and sometimes smells can get trapped in denim, can get trapped in clothes. But this is why it is very, very important to make sure that you follow the directions on your tag. I know for some people it's like, okay, this is a no-brainer, but you will be amazed at how many people do not follow the instructions that is provided on the tag. Sometimes you have to check inside, check on the outside, on the sides. And for the next time you don't want to follow directions and hand wash in cold water, remember this video, because your clothes will definitely look like this if you mix them with the wrong colors. Until next time, take care.